Before your company invests in Microsoft Dynamics 365, pause, because most businesses buy CRM software without understanding what they truly need. The surprising truth is that Dynamics 365 can transform your operations, but only if it matches your business size and workflow. Dynamics 365 is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform used by thousands of organizations worldwide. It helps businesses manage sales, customer support, marketing, and data analytics in one connected system. Instead of spreadsheets and disconnected tools, everything lives in one place. The system includes modules for sales tracking, customer service, marketing automation, and business insights. For example, sales teams can track leads, schedule follow-ups, and forecast revenue. Support teams can manage tickets and response times. Managers can see real-time dashboards that reveal what is working and what is not. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They think CRM is just a contact list. In reality, Dynamics 365 becomes the brain of your company. It connects with Microsoft tools like Outlook, Teams, and Excel, making daily work faster and more organized. Setup takes planning. You must define your sales process, customer journey, and reporting goals. Once configured, the system automates tasks like reminders, email tracking, and lead scoring. This saves time and reduces human error. However, there are downsides. Dynamics 365 is not cheap, especially for small businesses. Pricing increases with users and advanced features. Training is also required because the platform is powerful but complex. Without proper onboarding, employees may feel overwhelmed. You won't believe what happens next when teams use it correctly. Companies often report improved customer retention, faster sales cycles, and clear performance data. So who should use Dynamics 365? It is ideal for medium to large businesses that need scalable systems and deep integrations. It is not ideal for solo entrepreneurs or very small teams with simple needs. The surprising truth about Dynamics 365 is that it is not just software. It is a long-term business strategy. If this honest review helped you, subscribe for more real business tech insights.